Imagine this. You're stepping into the Emotional Academy, a place unlike any other, where emotions are not just feelings but students learning to navigate the complex world of human hearts. Picture vast halls filled with colours, each you representing a different emotion training for their ultimate test, the real world. Think about where this academy might be. Is it nestled in a cloud, hidden in plain sight, or perhaps in a dimension parallel to our own? Visualize the various departments, from the fiery pits of anger management to the serene halls of Serenity Studies. How do these emotions get to this magical place? Is there a whirlwind portal, a beam of light, or something entirely unexpected? As these emotions prepare, they face the final exam, a daunting task where they must influence a human's day without breaking the sacred rules of engagement. What scenarios might they face, and what constraints limit their influence? But who governs this mystical academy? Is it an ancient wise sadness, a council of elderly joys, or a democratic assembly of diverse emotions? Consider the laws that bind them, the conflicts that arise, and the manner in which harmony is restored. Picture each emotion as a character, with its own unique appearance and personality. How does joy differ from sadness? Not just in feeling, but in form. What challenges does each face? What tools do they call upon? Or allies do they need to overcome? Dive into the social fabric of the academy. Are there cliques and rivalries? How do these dynamics affect their education and relationships? Finally, envision your story's hero. Are they a lone fear, facing its own shadows, or a coalition of happiness, anger, and curiosity, each bringing something unique to the table? What trials will they endure, and how will they shape their journey? As tension mounts, how will your character confront and overcome the obstacles that stand between them and their destiny? What will be the resolution that marks the end of their academy days and the beginning of their real-world influence? And as always, remember, happy writing!